If you are a science student and struggling to write H2SO4 in Word, then keep watching. H2SO4 full form in chemistry is the sulfuric acid, a strong, highly corrosive mineral acid vital in many industries, often called the king of chemicals. So how you can write it? Let's begin. Type H2SO4. So first select the 2 and go to the home tab, and under the found group you will see that subscript. Click on that. You can see that the 2 has been subscript. So now how you can for subscript in a different way. Select the 4, right click and go to the found and click subscript and OK. So with this way you can easily write H2SO4 in Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.